Okay, so this is our room. This is coming in the front door. Patrick rolling around the bed. And if you go directly to the right, there's the bathroom.
Oh, look, it's a lovely bathroom.
And this is a shower.
Ah, acupuncture.
And yeah, and this is a toilet. It's a pretty nice toilet. And if you flush it, it makes a weird noise. This is the mirror and the sink. It's pretty nice. Bigger than I thought it would be. And come in here. Turn on the light. Got a little sink and vanity area. And a seating area where you can sit down. And a little table. And a bed. And the world's tiniest nightstands.
Oh, the bed's comfortable. Oh, it's comfortable. Oh.
And we got a TV.
Acupuncture is also a natural treatment for
Acupuncture.
disorders such as
Gross.
anxiety.
And
That went in his ear.
the mini bar down here.
There are 5 prevailing
If you want an $8 can of Diet Coke or some alcohol. We haven't touched that yet.
We won't.
Yeah, we won't. And if you go out here, you can see the balcony.
It's the balcony.
And you can see the water is really blue. Not real sure where we are right now. But yeah, this is what you see when you look out. Water, water, water. The lifeboat's down there. Yeah, this is where we sit. Pretty nice. You having fun, honey?
Having a blast.
Okay, say goodbye.